So it's reveal night. We finished the installation today. It was a hot day. Got a lot done. Everybody worked really hard. We went through, we lined everything up, made sure everything was perfect because we want this reveal night to be special. We really want to showcase our vision and our design to our client, and we think they're going to love it. We think they're really going to be blown away by the lighting design and vision we had, just adding that warmth and beauty to their home, and it's really something they're going to appreciate and love. On this project, we decided to focus on the front for now. We're going to do phase 2 later on the back, but the front just needed lighting. They had a lighting system that was about 11 or 12 years old. It hasn't been working for the last 7 years. So it's just one of those projects that just never got done, and I'm sure drove them crazy, just on the bucket list of something to do at some point. So we were able to come in and really quickly diagnose everything, look to see what they had, look to see what we could still use, and then obviously upgrade everything and upgrade the design. The design was lacking. They just had the landscaping. We really wanted the architecture to be showcased, and then bring out the big, beautiful landscape in there. They have established trees, huge crepe myrtles, some large zelkovas. And one thing that I love about landscape lighting, I'm sure tonight's going to be really special, but it's something that grows on people where as they live with it, they like it more and more because it's seasonal. In a few weeks, we're gonna have these crepe myrtles start blooming. In the fall, you're gonna have the zelkovas changing colors. In the winter is one time I love, you get the bare structure of the trees, and then in the spring is my favorite season for lighting, you get the small buds. So it's something that's dynamic, it's always changing, but the customers really learn to see their home with the lighting, and if they ever come home and the lighting isn't on, it feels like something is truly missing. So while they lived without lighting for the last 7 years, to now have it and to see the impact it has and the warmth and the beauty, and their home becomes the most beautiful home in the neighborhood overnight. So that's why landscape lighting is so impactful. Lighting just changes everything. And this project, I'm sure, is going to showcase the beauty of the home and the beauty of the landscaping. I'm gonna go get my customers. We're gonna go walk around the property, wait for it to get dark, and then I'm going to turn all the lights on so they can see the impact that this lighting system is going to have on their house. So we'll go get the customer. Hello.
Hey, how are
Great
you?
to see you.
Good to see you.
So tonight's the big reveal.
Awesome.
Your girl's going to come watch it too?
Yeah, awesome.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. It's the big reveal. It's always the hard time of waiting for sunset to get dark enough, which is going to be in a couple moments. But we've come a long way. We started off, you had a system that was about, well, you moved in 7 years ago. The system was about 12 years old. We went through the full diagnostic on what was happening with the system, what we could use, what we couldn't use. We decided to upgrade 99% of it and give you new equipment, redo the wiring, the connections, the transformers, everything like that. And then also, our focus was to bring more lighting onto the architecture itself, because in the previous design, when it was working, you had the 2 sections of trees with lighting on it, but nothing on the house. So the house was in darkness except for the coach lights. So our design was really to soften the coach lights, make them much dimmer and warmer, but then bring out the beauty of the home, bring out the landscaping. So I think you're really going to love this final impact.
Excellent. We're excited to see it.
This is a big reveal. We're going to see your lighting system. You have the automation system, so I'll be able to just press a button. You ready?
We're excited to see it. Wow.
So pretty.
Looks stunning.
She's so pretty.
It's beautiful.
I think we captured everything we wanted to, bringing out your stonework, bringing the focal point to the entrance, showcasing the height of the home, and really showcasing the landscaping of such beautiful landscaping. So this is a great system, great design, and you're going to love it for many, many years.
Looks excellent. You did a fantastic job.
Thank
Thanks, y'all.